is winter here in Scotland and it's absolutely freezing. And that means that I'm getting a little bit of a sweet tooth. So I went and made strawberry marzipans. Yeah, they're an absolute favorite. They literally take 2 minutes to make. It's just a little bit of food processor and you're done. You're ready to make your shapes. And then always make sure to hide a little bit for yourself because otherwise you'd find that they're all gone in the morning. So, unfortunately I am distracted by the fact that they are here because I really can't wait to have a bite. So I'm just going to show you how I made them and I hope you enjoy this recipe.